We're getting ready to do our math lesson 11.2. Okay, it looks a little bit differently, but there's a reason why, and I'm going to show you why in just a minute. Today, we modeled perimeter. Now we're going to find perimeter. Okay, last time it gave us the grid and we did it by units. This time we're going to find the perimeter ourselves. Our objective is you will use rulers to estimate and measure the perimeter of figures in inches and centimeters. All right, ladies and gentlemen, here's the deal. You may not have a ruler at home. If you took your red folder at home, I'm sorry, yes, your homework folder at home that does have a ruler on this side. If you don't have it and if you don't have a ruler, just follow along with me. That's why I'm doing it this way so I can show you the ruler. I'm doing it with the document camera, okay? I'm not going to do this right now. I'm not going to do this part, but I'm going to do this. So please, please, please follow along, okay? It says use an inch ruler to find the length of each side, okay? So I'm going to, do you see my ruler, how it doesn't start at the very end? It starts right here, that first line. So I'm going to put the first line on that. And how many inches is it? Well, that says it's 2 inches. So I'm going to put 2, okay? And I'm going to come down here and see if it is congruent. Yep, that's 2 inches also. Now I'm going to switch, do the opposite, the perpendicular sides. That's only 1 inch. Do you see how when I put it, the 0 on that first line, I go to the next line and it goes to 1. It's closest to 1. See if this side does it too? Yes, it is. It is at 1. Okay, it's 1 inch. So all I'm going to do, perimeter plus, perimeter plus, perimeter plus. I'm going to add all the sides together. So now I have 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals, well, 2 plus 1 is 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3 is 6. The perimeter is 6 inches. Okay, it's telling you what unit to use. It's telling you what unit of measure. So let's go to the next one. It says use a centimeter ruler. Now we really didn't talk about centimeters too much, but on this side, on one side of the ruler, you have inches. They're farther apart, aren't they? It's from 0 to 12, all the way to 12 over here, okay? You turn it over, you have centimeters. Oops, mine doesn't turn over. You just have to go. It goes from 0 all the way to 30, okay? So the one that has the most numbers on it and the tick marks closest together, that's the centimeters. So we're going to start just like we did before. It doesn't start at the edge. That first line is where I start. How many centimeters? Well, this is 3 centimeters. You see it's 1, 2, 3. I don't know how well you can see. Okay, the next side. Oh, 1, 2, 3. That's 3 centimeters. And then this side. Ha! Starting there. 1, 2, 3. Huh. Oh, what kind of figure do we have going on? Let's see if we can figure it out. 1, 2, 3. 3. All 3 sides are the same. So 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals, well, 4 threes equals 12. The perimeter is 12 centimeters. And we know by looking at this figure that it is a square. Very good, because all the sides are the same, okay, are of equal length. The opposite sides are of equal length, but not both pairs are equal, are they? Okay, you have 2's on this side, this pair are 1's. but so it is a rectangle because you have four sides, you have four right angles, and the opposite pairs are congruent. Very good. Okay, let's go to the next side. Okay, I hope I'm not giving you a headache on this. Let's see if I can move you a little bit closer. Okay, does that help? Okay, now it says find the perimeter of the triangle in inches. It's giving you the unit of measure. Use what it says. All right, so let's look at this. Triangle, three sides. So I'm going to my inches. Oh, there's 1 inch. Over here, oh, 1 inch. And then I've got another one that's 1 inch. So all I do, perimeter plus, I add all the sides together. 1, 2, 3. How many inches? 3. And if all the sides are equal, what kind of triangle is it? Yeah, let's think. It's an equilateral triangle. Equal means the same. Equilateral. Very good. All right. Use a centimeter ruler to find the perimeter. So we're going to use our centimeters and just measure. Okay. So from the top is 1, 2, 3, 4 centimeters. I'm going to go over to this side. I have 3 centimeters. To the other side, 4. Can we guess what this is going to be? Because it looks like a rectangle, it should be 3, but let's check it. Oh, it is. So it is an actual rectangle. The opposite pairs are congruent. So what is 3 plus 4? 7. 4 plus 3? 7. So 7 plus 7 is, you got it, 14 centimeters. Okay, let's do a couple more of these. Now look at this one. Oops, sorry. That doesn't look like a regular rectangle or a square or a triangle, but we still have to add up all the sides, okay? So it's this, we're still using centimeters. So let's add them up. Start with this one. There's 1 centimeter. Filling in all the blanks. There's 2 centimeters. Goes 1, 2, 3, 3 centimeters. There's 4 centimeters. And then our final one is 3 centimeters. Now, if we go from point all the way around back to that point, 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. Okay, so I know that this is a 3. So I have 3 plus 3 plus 3. That's 3 threes. 9 plus 4 is 13 centimeters. No, you can add it up in different ways, and you know how I love that, how I love to see your brains working in different ways. So if I did maybe 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 3 more is 10, and then add the 3, 13. Love it. Okay, let's go down to number 4. It says use the inch ruler. Please, please, please use your, read your directions. Read your directions. Always, always, always. Okay, here we go. That's 2. I have a prediction on this. That's 2. Let's move that a little bit. That's 2. And you see, That one's 2 also. Now you're like, Mrs. Keith, that looks like it's a diamond. Well, you know what? Let's just flip it around. Now look at it. What's it look like? It looks like a square. It is a square. It's just got the points um, on the top and bottom. It's still a square. So 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate this square? This square. Yay! So it's 8 inches. All we did was add each side. Perimeter plus, 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Oh, goody, we've got a trapezoid. Okay, we have one pair of parallel lines. So let's look at this. Let's do it. It says inches, so I'm using my inches here. See how it says, it even says inches. So I go, oh, there's going from vertex to vertex, and it is 2 inches. Okay, I go from vertex to vertex, that line segment, it is 2. I go from vertex to vertex, and that's 2. But we know that this isn't going to be 2 because it's a trapezoid and not a square. That's only 1 inch. So let's look at that. Let's go from 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. So 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 inches. Okay, that is what we are going to do. Ooh, I like this one. We're going to do this one. You're like, no, Mrs. Keith. Yes, we're going to do it. Here we go. Because this is what, if you had anything, this is what any big test, this is what they would have gone to. Okay. It says use this grid paper. See how it's got grids? It's got the boxes, nice, neat little boxes. That's called grid paper. To draw a figure that has a perimeter of 24 centimeters. Label the length of each side. Now let's think about this. It has to have a total perimeter of 24. So let's think about this. I know if I do 6 times 4 equals 24, right? How does that help me? Well, 6, oh, wait a minute. Oh, Mrs. Keith, we're getting into area. Never mind. Okay, so let's think about this. If I do 10 on the top and 10 on the bottom, how much would that be? 10 on the top and 10 on the bottom. That would be 20, wouldn't it? So how many more would I have to do? I'd have to do 4. So if I divide that in half, it would be 2 plus 2 equals 4. Does that make sense? Now let's look at that. If I make the top side 10 units, I don't even need that. I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 1. Now I'm going to go the other side. 1, 2. I've used one of those. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Used my other one, and I can go 1, 2. Did I make a figure that had a perimeter of 24 centimeters? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Very good. Can I do a different one? Sure. Okay. So let's look at this. If I did, perfect. If I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What if I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I did 6, 6, 6, 6. I did 4 groups of 6. There we go. Okay. Does that work? Yes, it does. Do they look different? Yes. Do they have the same perimeter? Yes, they do. Okay. Even though they look different, they have the same perimeter. All you're doing is counting the outside. Okay. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, what I want for you to do is to do your homework on a GoMath. Go to GoMath and do your homework. Okay. All right. Thank you.